It is very active right through here. Good Lord.
I watched you change.
And the rain feels like hailstones. Look at it building right here. It is just building on that tail end right there. And there is so much upward motion right here. Holy cow. That right there might be trying to do something. Good Lord, look at the freaking motion in this. Holy cow. Oh my God. Motion in this is ridiculous. Golly! Good Lord, the building motion right here is ridiculous. Actively tornado warned. Look at this building motion. And right there, just look at that. Holy cow. And the tornado sirens are going off in town. Good Lord. Oh, now I'm getting rained on. That right there is where it's gonna do it. That right there is where it's gonna do it. Oh my God. Look at this building motion. Oh my God. Tornado damage here. Tornado damage at Ventamatic. You can see roofs ripped off over here. All of this is ripped off. All of this is ripped off. There's tins thrown all across the road. Power lines down. Emergency vehicles down there. This tree's tore up. There's trees over here beside me tore up. 100% tornado damage. Tornado on the ground at one point in time right through here. That roof's gone. That door's all twisted up, tore up right there. All these trees are mangled. Power lines down all across the road. Ventamatic is totaled. I'll get around and see if I can get better pictures of Ventamatic, but Ventamatic is gone. I mean, Ventamatic took a direct hit. I sure hope there was no one there. I don't know how well you can see, but the shipping room, that right there in the middle that's completely gone right there, is 108 in the shipping room. It is completely leveled. This is 108, the other end. But the majority of 108 right here, that's all 108 right there, gone. Absolutely gone. Tornado on the ground. That's EF2 damage right there. This is 110. This is the building I used to work in. Roof gone.